Frigidaire may not be a household name, but the company is over 100 years old and it's one of the pioneers of the cooling industry, with innovations made to the refrigerator technology. Also, with their FFRA0511R1 model looking to make a mark, it's the best choice when you're looking to find a wall-mounted air conditioner. When choosing an air conditioner, it's most important to measure the room you want to cool, and with a BTU rating of 5000, Frigidaire's FFRA0511R1 will be just enough to cool a room around 170 square feet. That's the size of a bedroom or an office at most. More than that, and you'll just raise your power consumption costs. With a weight of just around 41 pounds, it's a pretty light air conditioner, allowing for easy installation and not bothering you about the strength of your windows. With a height of 12 inches, a width of 16 and a depth of 15 inches, it'll fit most of the standard window sizes. Frigidaire's FFRA0511R1 uses R401A refrigerant, which is an HFC refrigerant. The advantage of this is that it's relatively cheap per pound as opposed to the R22 refrigerant. It comes with adjustable side panels that allow you to get a custom fit for your desired window. There are two control knobs, one for controlling the temperature and the other for controlling the fan speed. But there's no remote control, unfortunately. However, once you set your ideal temperatures, it doesn't need further adjustments, so you're all set. It also comes with a 115-volt power outlet, which is pretty basic in most rooms, as opposed to most of the air conditioners that need a 220-volt outlet. This unit is very efficient to run, keeping your costs down all summer long. The air filter is really easy to remove too. You just have to open the front panel and you have access to the filter. Once you've removed it, it's really easy to clean with warm water and soap. The manufacturer recommends clearing the air filter monthly. Because of its light weight, it's pretty easy to install all by yourself. This is an overall quality product with easy installation and will cool your smaller rooms.